Yan na, ulan. Doon tumahan siya, umulan, no?
Firmly believe that the most beautiful thing in this world happens without prior notice, and it came on unexpectedly. Buonasera tutti, or should I say, good evening, beautiful people of Rosario, ladies, gentlemen, panel board of judges, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. The girl that was naked in your eyes, a fresh indeed innocent. No surgery, no collagen, no artificial flavor in the body. But I am proud to say that from my head up to my toe was our God-given beauty. Yes, because I am your half Brazilian, half Filipino who was raised and graduated fashion stylist in Napoli, Italy. My real name is Chloe Chanel Montenegro, your Pasig City's pride, your first ever queen of Pasig. Yes, I am your queen of the East, and also your candidate for Trans Queen of Asia. But for tonight, since this is a pageant, hindi mahalaga kung gaano karami ang koronang naiputong sa ating ulan. Bagkos, ang pinakamagandang gagawin natin ngayong araw ay ang magpasaya at maging mabuti sa ating mga kapwa. Kaya naman hayaan niyo po akong hiramin ang pagkababae at pagkatao ng ating Miss Universe 2024. Opo, ako nga po ang magpapauso ng tampisawok sa Miss Universe. Walang iba kundi si Miss Chelsea Manalo. Chelsea Manalo na hindi mag-iiwan ng mga bastos na salita. Bagkos hayaan niyo po akong sabihin na kayong mga manlalait, kayong mga mahilig manakit, kayo po ang hindi pupunta sa langit. Once again, I am your Ate Coco, your candidate number 18. Good evening.
There you have it. This is our last queen for tonight.
8.5, 8.5, 8.58, 8.59, 9.58, 8.5, 8.5.
Thank you so much, candidate number 18.